Hello guys, so I posted this photo I edited with Beauty Plus. I think you can see it on my screen, and received bashing from some of you because you thought that it wasn't the app. So I'm going back to the original app I screenshot from the group. I'm going back to the original app. I'm trying to edit this as fast as I can, just so that Doubting Thomases can go to bed. So this is the Beauty Plus app. First thing I did was I did both ways. I tried to remove the acne. I went to the smooth. I increased everything. I did it twice actually. That's the first time. I validated it. First one. I'm sorry, I'm using a really old phone, so it's taking a lot of time. That's the first one. The second time I went to smooth again. I passed it the second time. I extended it up to 100%. Validated. Then I came to acne. Acne is somewhere here. Pimple, I think that's how you call it these days. So I came here, activated it. It's on auto already. You see most of them are going. I validated it as well. I came back to acne now. There are some ones that refuse to go off, so I did a manual select. I increased the brush. You can see me. Sorry, you have to make the brush smaller. You can just pick some of the spots. Pick the spots. Be careful, be gentle with it. You know. Yes, I think I'm making progress. Take that away. Basically, my fingers are really fat, so I can't actually do it with precision. You can see. I think that I'm also making progress here. So that's what I did for the manual removal. Yes, you can see I'm really making progress here. Voila. To reduce. Let me see if I can go one more time on auto to see if it's gonna fall off. Guys are already trying to contact me after that, so I'm going back to auto. It's on. Yes, I think that's good to go. What else do I have to do? You see, there are a couple of things I have to fix. For example, like the eyes. I come to the eye manual. It's here somewhere around here. Sorry, my phone is slow. I go to yeah, this is it. Nope, that's not it. Go back. This is the face. Voila. I go to HD, for example. I'm trying to work on the resolution of the peak. I hope you can see that. For those of you who are doubting, I can go the full way if you want, but I don't want it to be too thick. And it brought back some acne. I'll go back to my acne remover. I'll go to manual this time around. I make sure that I zoom into the peak and move it. For those of you who are doubting, I'm actually trying to remove it as fast as I can. My fingers are really fat, so I can't edit this thing with precision. Yeah, but the first video I did, I think it took me less time. I don't know, was I lucky or just in a good mood? What else? That's big. You see, that's a disadvantage when you have a finger like mine. Yes, I actually think this second one might even be better than the first. So progress is being made for Doubting Thomases. Yes, this is teeth whitening. Automatically, I'm increasing the size. You see, the teeth is white. I'm going to the eye brightening. I hope you can see already. I can increase it, I can reduce it, I can increase it. I've approved. The eye is good. I can even go as far as um, I can change the skin tone if you want, but I'm not sure I want to change the skin tone. So basically, I think that's what I did. For makeup, if you guys are inspired, you can change the makeup. For example, I used this something subtle. You see the lips. It's giving me an option to. You see, I've just changed the lips. I could have done this one or this, but I picked this one. I don't know why I did, but I just did. Then I can go to eyelashes or brow brushes. For example, this is contour. This is eyebrow. I might decide to add the eyebrow to adjust it. You see, I'm making adjustments on the eyebrow. So basically, that's how I did it. If you guys are not convinced enough, then I am sorry. I am not your problem. I think you have different issues. So basically, that's what I did. People who were not sure, people who were doubting. I think basically that's what I did. You see, that I have some problems around here. I don't have a brush to perfect it. I need more time to do it. But basically, I just wanted to give you an idea of what I did. Thank you so much. Yes, I think this is good to go.